Hey guys, good morning. It's Monday, January the 22nd, and I'm coming at you with something a little different. Actually, it's a video I wish I didn't have to make, but unfortunately, for many YouTubers here that do diecast, especially some of the older ones that have been doing it the last couple of years, the name Ray Huggins should be very familiar to you guys. He would always leave a nice comment. Um, Many of you may have spoken to him outside of the videos like I did. I used to communicate with him weekly, but I got the news yesterday from his wife Judy that he unfortunately passed away on Saturday evening, on January the 20th at 6:35 p.m. Ray unfortunately had passed away. He had been sick for past couple of months actually, but he really got sick as of January the 1st, and Judy said unfortunately it took a turn for the worse and just happened pretty fast over the past couple of weeks. So he never got a chance to say goodbye to anyone in the diecast community. I know that even prior to the illness, his computer room had gotten flooded, so his computer got damaged. So he had no access to email and YouTube, which is pretty much what he used to use to communicate. He wasn't on any social media like Instagram or Facebook like that, but he would always communicate via email. And yeah, she just wanted me to let everyone know, unfortunately, what had happened and why he may not have been able to communicate with anyone over the past couple of months. The last time I unfortunately spoke to Ray was back in May, just before the flooding happened. I had just gone on vacation, and I got to say goodbye. He sent me a well wish, and I had been emailing him back numerous times between May and even last month for New Year's. But yes, unfortunately, that's what happened. And Ray was actually one of my actually he was probably the first subscriber on my channel, and one of the first guys that actually left the comments for my videos. Ended up being one of the guys I talked to the most as well. We would communicate weekly via email, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and he ended up being one of the first people to send me a true RAOK. I wasn't even expecting it. I mean, we were just talking. I had just started really going after supers, and I was missing a couple of pieces from 2013, and was very close to completing 2014. So Ray, out of the kindness of his heart, he just sent me 3 supers. I think 2 from 2013 that got me closer to completing that set, and he sent me the Chevrolet SS that officially helped me complete the 2014 set. So this will always be a meaningful piece for me because he helped me put that together, and it wasn't any part of a trade. He just did it, and that's what he did. Like, I mean, he's the kind of guy to take the shirt off his back and help out whenever he could, especially if you were a new collector. He really enjoyed helping new collectors, and he never really expected anything in return. Of course, from that point on, it was just back and forth REOKs. That's basically what we did. We didn't really do trades. We would just put boxes together every few weeks or a few months and just ship them out. And that was one meaningful piece, and this was actually one other piece that wasn't even a car. He just knew I was a Batman fan, and I have a Batman collection, and he threw in the commemorative 75th anniversary set of stamps that came out at USPS last year. Actually, in 2015, I believe it was that it came out. So he had picked it up from the post office and sent it out to me. So I've been meaning to put this in a frame and put up on my wall. So that's something I'm going to work on to do a little bit sooner rather than later. But this is the last piece that I got from him. So yeah, if anyone out there, watch videos, you likely saw his comments. And if you notice, he hadn't been commenting for the last few months. At least now you know why. He had been a little bit sick. I know earlier in the year he had complications just due to a change of medication. And yeah, and then he really got sick in January. So to you, Judy, who I know would be watching this video once the computer is back up, and to his son, he thought the world of you guys. That's how Ray was. He was a family man, and he got to spend the last year just enjoying the hobby and not really chasing chase pieces anymore. He would just like use that quality time to spend with his son. So he always spoke highly of you guys, and I know you guys will miss him. And he really enjoyed the hobby. He really enjoyed the hobby, enjoyed participating in it, So that's something that was a big part of his life. So just hope you guys know that, and he was very well respected in the community. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Unfortunately, that's the news I had to share with you guys and let you guys know. And yeah, I mean, for me, it's a loss of a friend, and that's never cool or something that you would expect. And yeah, I mean, I got obviously pieces to remember him by, and emails to remember him by, and just memories to remember him by. So hopefully, he's in a better place now. And to his family, just know that he loved you guys. And to anyone in the diecast community, just want to let you guys know. So my condolences go out to his family. And rest in peace, my friend. Hope you're in a better place. Take care, guys.